Mountain Top EVOe installation. Using a wet sponge, clean the top surface of the bed. Mountain Top roll covers are shipped in packaging that protects the components during shipping. It is a two-person lift to remove the roll cover components from the box. With the canister on an assembly table, remove the protective film. Remove key fob. Now is a good time to add the fob to your vehicle's keyring. Install the cross-shaped cush drive damper. Pull the lower wear strip 110mm out of the end of the side profile. Flip the side profile over and check the wear strip is past the machined edge. Take care to avoid the sharp edges of the side profile in this area. Apply thread locker to the canister mounting screws. Remove the multi-tool from its location attached to the underside of the rear profile. Ensure the orange drive spigots engage into the grey intermediate shaft pulleys. The drive spigots should be orientated in the 12 to 6 o'clock positions. Start the side profile attachment of screws by hand first. It may be necessary to gently twist the side profile towards yourself. Install screws using T30 Torx key. Repeat step for both sides. Ensure motor support bracket fastener is fitted. Push the wear strip back into the canister. Use the canister lid tool to depress the end of the wear strip and engage it into the canister end. Shut the lid. Install front corner foam seals. Ensure the backing tape is removed. Take the coil of foam and apply along the underside of the front of the canister. Remove the underside backing tape. Ensure the ends of the foam contact each other. Remove backing tape from LED lights. Apply the LED light strips to both the left and right side profiles. They need to be positioned 200mm from the edge of the forward pulley housing. Attach the drain tubes. Use the rubber tabs to stretch the drain tube over the canister outlet. Apply cable management to canister. Refer to the diagram in the installation manual for wiring loom routing. Refer to the installation manual for drain hole positions. We recommend being prepared with 2 drill bits. a 4mm and a 32mm hole saw. After drilling the drain hole, deburr the hole and seal exposed sheet metal with paint. Drill smaller 18mm hole for electrical loom. Feed the battery harness through the bulkhead at the front of the bed. Ensure the loom is attached to secure locations on the body, away from moving parts and the exhaust. Take care to ensure the loom cannot be damaged due to rubbing on sharp points. Route the battery harness under the vehicle and up into the engine bay and connect to the battery. Using a caulking gun, apply silicone to the front corners of the tub. Attach the battery power loom plug and then connect the power loom to the female plug on the side of the canister. Check the length of the drain tubes. Trim using scissors if needed. Centralize the cover on the tub. Visually line up the arrow mark on the inside of the corner with the front face of the tailgate. Referring to the image in the installation manual, pre-assemble the clamps. Install the clamps, tightening the fasteners hand tight only. Set the parallel and diagonal dimensions using a measuring tape. This is done by moving the side profiles inward and outward, forward and backward until satisfied. Tighten the clamp fasteners to the specified torque. Apply the paint protection patches to the tub. Location dimensions are in the manual for each specific vehicle. Drop the tailgate. Pull the carpet out from the canister. Slide the rear profile onto the carpet. Apply foam seal to the underside of the rear cap. Mount the rear corner caps to the cover. With power to the cover, hold down the fob button for 12 seconds to trigger the calibration cycle. Normal operation with the fob is hold down the button for 1 second to open. A 1 second press to stop the cover in a partially open position. A third 1 second press will reverse the direction of the cover. Thank you for watching the installation of EVOe E.